As a dropshipper in 2024, there are just some tools or softwares that I just could not live without, okay? So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about 3 different dropshipping tools that you absolutely need to be able to have a successful dropshipping business. Now, I could go over so many different tools, and I may just have to make this into a series, to be honest with you, but these 3 tools I use on a day-to-day basis, and for a fact, it will make your life so much easier. And if you're excited for the video, make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content just like this. And if you're somebody out there that's looking for a like-minded community full of other dropshippers on their dropshipping journey and you want somewhere where you can just network with others, feel free to go down to the description and sign up for my free dropshipping Discord server. So let's not waste up any more of your time. Make sure you stay to the end of the video because the last dropshipping tool is actually super underrated. So yeah, let's hop right into it. All right, so for the first tool on this list, it's a tool called PPAds. Now, I've been using PPAds for a very long time, and I use it every single day to do product research, okay? Because it allows me to be able to find winning products much easier than just using one of the free methods. Now, do you need a product research tool to be able to find winning products? No, but does it make it a lot easier? Yes. So one of the first ways that I like to use PPAds is by finding other competitors. So let's just say, for example, I want to sell the AirTag wallet. I can type in AirTag wallet right here under product keywords, and then now here's every single advertiser that has advertised that product. So I can easily come and find the top ads that were ran for this product and then download them and then use them to make my own clips. So let's just say, for example, I want to check out this one right here. It's going to bring me up to this screen right here where I can click on the product link. I can see their entire funnel, see what they're doing on their product page to get some inspiration. And then I can also come right here, and as you can see, here's a ton of content that they ran, and you can see how many impressions it's had, how many days it was run for, what's the popularity, so that way you know if these are good clips or not. So I can click on one of these ads, and as you can see, I literally can download this within seconds. I can click download, and boom, there it is right there. And now I can put this into my editing software and make my own ads. Now that's just one way that I like to use PPAds. Now the next way that I like to use PPAds is by using their TikTok ad search. So their TikTok ad search allows me to be able to find the top advertisements on the platform, and that way I can utilize that information to make decisions whether or not I want to test a product or not. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to mess with all of the filters. So the first filter, obviously I'm going to put e-commerce, country, United States, call to action, I'm going to do shop now and order now. E-commerce platform, we're going to do Shopify, ad type, non-branded ads. And then what I like to do for the period of time, I like to put this on 30 days for the first scene. And then for the last scene, I like to put within the last 7 days. So pretty much this means that someone started their product 30 days ago and they ran ads for it. And now within the past 7 days, they're still running ads. So if they're running ads for an entire month, the product most likely will be working. So that's exactly why I put those 2 different filters. And then what I like to do is just come by sort by, and then I sort by popularity. And then I like to put the per page up to like 200 or 500 so I don't have to keep going through different pages. And then now I can scroll through and see what types of products would be dropshipping products that I would want to sell. And if you go down to the description, I actually have a free product research sheet. It's this sheet right here. You can download it. Again, it's 100% free. This is the exact one that I use to be able to stay organized with my product research. So typically what I'll do is I'll scroll through PPAds, find a ton of different products that I want to sell, and then I'll import them into my product research sheet. Because when you're doing product research, sometimes you're looking at this product, you're looking at that product, and you can sometimes forget. So this is how I stay organized. Again, you can go down to the description and you can download it 100% for free. Did you know that for every $1 spent on email marketing that companies are receiving back $36 to $40 in ROI? Well, that brings me into the sponsor of today's video, Omnisend. Now, if you're looking to skyrocket your e-commerce sales in 2024, then look no further than Omnisend. That simplifies the email marketing and SMS marketing process. Now, the first thing that you'll see once you log into the Omnisend platform is your sales performance dashboard. Now, this dashboard is going to show you analytics of how your email and SMS campaigns are performing for your Shopify business. You'll also be able to see your audience growth, which will tell you how many email and SMS subscribers you've gained over a certain period of time. Starting your first email campaign with Omnisend is not that difficult. They have so many different pre-built templates that you can just plug and play your brand into and start selling in minutes. Now, once you choose your template, you can customize it however you want using their drag and drop builder, and it's so easy. You can customize things like the font, the images, the colors, and so much more. If you want to step up your email and SMS marketing game, then I highly recommend that you check out Omnisend for yourself. They have an app in the Shopify App Store. It's 100% free to add to your store, so that way you can try it out yourself. I'll be sure to leave a link at the top of the description if you're interested. Now, the second dropshipping tool that I just cannot live without, and literally every dropshipper needs this, is a Shopify app called True Profit. It's a profit analytics app. Now, how are you supposed to know if you're profitable if you do not know your numbers? And majority of people try to do this with a spreadsheet, and spreadsheets can just be a headache when it comes to this kind of thing. So it's kind of nice to be able to just go to a Shopify app and see exactly how much you're making every single day. Now, once you log into the True Profit platform, it'll already have asked you a bunch of questions like tie your TikTok ads or your Facebook ad account, so that way it can pull how much money you're spending on ads. It'll also ask you for your cost of goods and things like that. So you'll get this screen right here and you'll be able to see exactly how much money you're making. So you could do something like, okay, from the 5th to the 7th of February, press done, and you'll be able to see how much revenue that you've done for that time period. You'll be able to see the net profit. You'll be able to see how many units sold, cost of goods, and so much more. Now, what I love is that I'm able to see all of this within just a few seconds, and this would be insane to be able to calculate all by yourself. So again, if you want to be a successful business owner, you need to be able to have your numbers right in front of you every single day, so that way there's no confusion whether or not your business is growing or if your business is failing. Dropship.io is a product research tool that allows you to be able to find winning products easier, okay? But the main reason why I have this tool is for their sales tracker. So sales tracker is pretty much where you can put in any Shopify store right here into the search bar, and it'll tell you the sales that Shopify store is getting. Now, the reason why this is so valuable is because if you're trying to test a product and you want to see if it's actually selling right now, you can put in their Shopify store and find out immediately. This pretty much validates the product and lets you know if the product is selling currently or if it's not selling. So here's some stores that are just automatically tracked once you're on the platform. And as you can see right here, G Fuel, for example, they made $80,364 in sales today. Yesterday, they made $82,000. And in the last 7 days, they made $1.7 million. So as you can see, this is extremely valuable information because, again, if a product is selling currently, that means it can sell for you as well. If the product isn't selling once you track the Shopify store URL, then I wouldn't test it. But if you wanted to look for products as well, you can go to their product database. You can go to clothing and jewelry. Let's just say, for example, you wanted to sell products in that niche. You can click on search, and now you'll see a ton of different products. So you can go ahead and sort by monthly sales, so that way you can see, products that have the highest revenue for the month. And now you can scroll through and find your next winning product. So that's Dropship.io. Again, I just use it for the sales tracker. It's one of the checklists that I have for any product that I'm gonna test. I make sure that the product is actually selling on another competitor store before I test the product. It's extremely useful. So that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I hope you learned something today and that you took some value from it. If you did, be sure to go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content just like this. And if you're somebody out there that's still struggling with your dropshipping business and you need myself and my team to literally hold your hand through the entire process and help you get the results that you deserve, feel free to go down to the description and fill out the application for my one-on-one coaching program. Now, we don't accept everyone. We want to make sure that we have the right person, somebody that's a go-getter, somebody that's actually going to put in the work. But again, fill out the application and let's see if we're a good fit to work together. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys next time.